Hello and welcome to the first video in my quick chord series. So this is going to be looking at the AMaj chord and how to begin to build that. If you know your way around a fretboard, you know what the strings are, you know which fret's which, then this is the perfect place for you to begin. If you're a little unsure, however, I have linked a video which teaches you how to navigate the fretboard and what the strings are. So I would go and check that out. So we've dived in close on the A chord. I will have up on the screen a diagram of exactly what that chord looks like, but I'll take you through step by step what we need to do now. Okay, so to begin to play this chord, we need 3 fingers first of all. So index, middle, and then our ring finger. Now everything also has to be down on fret 2, which is right here. First thing you want to do is take your index finger, you want to put that on string number 3, fret number 2. Take your middle finger, that goes on string number 4, fret number 2, and then your index finger, not your index finger, your pinky, not your pinky. Ugh. So the first thing you want to do is take your index finger, you want to put that on string number 3, fret number 2, middle finger goes above that on string number 4, and then your ring finger goes below that on string number 2. Once you've got all those down, make sure that you're pressing down on the tips of your fingers and you're as close to that fret bar as you possibly can be without touching it. You want to play strings 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we ignore string number 6, we ignore this one up here at the top. That does not come into it. It's just the bottom 5. And that's how we play an A major. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that was useful. Until next time.